Our NeoSupreme Deluxe quality seat cushions will give your vehicle's interior a bold, stylish look and a relaxed, comfortable feel. Installation is easy. In just minutes, you'll have your seat protecting cushions on and your car feeling like a brand new ride. The covers are durably constructed with foam padding, providing extra comfort to you and your passengers. And the soft NeoSupreme fabric is beautifully accented with a diamond stitch pattern. These dependable seat cushions offer a sideless design to allow for airbag deployment, and the underside has an anti-slip silicone backing to keep them in place. This deluxe set comes with 2 front bucket seat cushions, 2 headrest covers, and butterfly discs for installation. Choose from a variety of vibrant colors and personalize your ride with a classy yet practical way.